Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. This one's a very short video. When I was fitting the mudguards to my bike in the last video, I broke the bit of the cassette joint where the shifter cable goes into. In this video what we're going to do is replace the cassette joint on the bike. I'll show you what I mean. This is a cassette joint here, so I've taken the wheel off the bike already, and you can see there, this is where the brake was. I pushed this a little bit out with a screwdriver and it snapped the bit up the top here. And luckily we have got a replacement part from Shimano, so this is a replacement part here. This bit here is this bit up here is a bit that broke off, so we're going to go and fit this one onto the bike now. So this is a cassette joint, and we're going to fit it to a Shimano Nexus 7 hub. So let's just crack on with that now. Hopefully you can see this okay. So I'm just going to take off this nut, and we'll take that off as well. Set these here. Now to remove the old one, we have a lock ring here. The one thing to watch is that when I loosen the lock ring, it lines up with this this little dot here. So I'm going to take the lock ring off, and then take the cassette joint off as well. Just showing you a little bit closer, the bit that's broken is this bit up here. The fitting this new one's fairly straightforward. On the actual hub itself you have two yellow marks, and on this we have two yellow marks marked by triangles. Now what we want to do is put the two yellow marks marked with triangles against the two yellow marks here, and then the outer circle, we want to put that in line with that as well, so that the yellow dots and circles are all lined up together. So everything's all lined up there, and you can move that to see that it's not loose at all. So the circle's lined up with the two triangles on the hub itself. Then we take the lock ring is on, and it matches up with the circle as well. And then we just twist the lock ring over, that holds it all in place, and that's it on there. That's all that's involved. And this one's now ready to go back on the bike.